we have seen that the boat race is about to start. All types of preparations have been made to make this boat race attractive. And we are moving forward. Suddenly, Kuttan stopped his daydreaming. Oh, we are going to start. The crackers sparkled in the air. This was the sign that the boat race was about to start. The boy Kuttan was perplexed. He was lost in the daydream. He was not able to absorb that the boat race was about to start. But when the crackers sound came, he was just brought to the conscience. He kept to know that now the boat race is about to start. So he prepared himself. Kuttan's hands were sweating with nervousness. He was very nervous because this was the first boat race of his life. That's why his hands were sweating. Glancing down the line of spectators, he saw that Keswan and Uni were grinning and pointing at him. When he looked at the spectators, he found his friends and foes as well. His friends were encouraging him, while the people who were involved in the conspiracy were happy that this boat is going to lose the battle because we have made the desired arrangements. The conspiracy has been done. That's why they were very happy. Then the track was cleared. And there, 3 gunshots were fired in quick succession, and the 1600-meter race began. When the boat race was about to start, the path was cleared. No one was allowed to come in the path of the boats. And now, at last, the 3 gunshots were the indication that this is the starting of the boat race. The length of 1600 meter was to be covered, and that boat that will cover this 1600 meter distance within the prescribed path, that will win the race. Kuttan's boat surged forward. The face of the spectators became a blur. The Kuttan kept his eyes on the back of the man rowing in front of him. Loudspeaker boomed, Karchal 2, very swift, 30 rowers, 60 to 80 strokes a minute. But today, just wait and see. The thought had barely flashed through Kuttan's mind when the loudspeakers again boomed. Karchal 2 is having a problem. Oh no. People thought that Karchal 1 will lose because the conspiracy was to make that boat lose the battle. But what happened was just reverse. Because these boys have managed to create all the conspiracy backfire. So the people who thought that his boat will lose the battle, just reverse happened. Loudspeaker was announcing that Karchal 2 is very swift. 30 rowers, 30 people are rowing that boat. 60 to 80 strokes a minute. Per minute, 60 to 80 strokes are made to make that boat come forward. The thought had barely flashed throughout Kuttan's mind. Loudspeaker again announced that Karchal 2 is having some problem. Oh no, it's filling with water. It is slowing down. It has stopped. Karchal 1 in the lead, nearing the finishing line, and it has won. Now what happened with the smartness of these 2 boys? Karchal 1 won the race, while Karchal 2 was filled with water because they have made holes. They filled the holes of the Karchal 1, and in Karchal 2 they made holes to just nullify the conspiracy. All the 30 crew members leaped off the boat, laughing, hugging, shouting with delight. Now the team that won the race, they are very happy. They were hugging each other. So Kumaran and Vasu came running. Well, Kuttan asked, did you see the Keswan's face when his boat filled with water? So Kumaran and Vasu were friends of Kuttan. They were very happy that his friends boat won. And they told that, look at the face of Keswan who was involved in the conspiracy. Oh, you should have seen it, chuckled Sukumaran. Kuttan yelped with delight. Vasu skipped alongside happily. Oh, what a clever idea it was! He exclaimed, changing the number of the boats and then changing their positions. Quite you idiot, Kuttan hissed, scowling fiercely at Vasu. Oops! Vasu giggled behind his hand. All three fled past Kesavan and Muni, who stood rooted to the ground, eyes and mouths wide open with shock. Now you came to know that what type of adjustment was made. The boys changed the numbering of their boats because only the numbering was a difference. So they made Karichal 1 with Karichal 2 and the Karichal 1's sticker was pasted on Karichal 2's. That's why people thought that Karichal 2, in spite of all the efforts, the conspirators lost the battle and the boys who were enjoying at their best, they wanted just to disclose it, but Kuttan was very smart. He looked at the opponents, smiled, but never let that happen, that they know about the conspiracy. So, with this story, we came to know the smartness of these boys who, in spite of all the challenges, the dark night, the remote riverbank, accepted all challenges and nullified the conspiracy and ultimately won the battle. This is the message that if we keep working with perseverance, patience and determination, no one can defeat us. We will always win the race. Okay, thanks.